Idiomatic expressions. Bite the bullet in professional contexts. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a commonly used idiom in professional communication, especially when discussing decision-making and problem-solving. The idiom we'll be exploring today is, bite the bullet. Bite the bullet is an idiom originating from the 19th century. Soldiers would bite a bullet during surgery to cope with the pain before anesthetics were commonly used. In the modern context, this idiom is used to describe the act of confronting a difficult situation or task courageously, or deciding to go through with a difficult or unpleasant task. Here's an example. The team knew they had to bite the bullet and work over the weekend to finish the project on time. This sentence implies that the team had to make a tough decision, working over the weekend, to complete their project on time. In professional settings, bite the bullet is used to describe making hard decisions or enduring a tough situation for the overall benefit of the project or organization. Here are a few examples. The company had to bite the bullet and cut down on staff to stay afloat. This means the company had to make a hard decision of laying off some employees to keep the business running. We will need to bite the bullet and accept the new policies to continue working with our key client. Here, bite the bullet is used to signify the acceptance of a difficult or unfavorable situation, in this case, new policies, to maintain a working relationship with an important client. Now let's practice using this idiom in different scenarios. Try to create your own sentences using bite the bullet. Here's a prompt to get you started. Despite the difficulties, the research team had to blank to meet the deadline. You could fill in the blank with bite the bullet to indicate that despite facing challenges, the research team had to make some tough decisions or endure a difficult situation to meet their deadline. There you have it, a deeper understanding of the idiom, bite the bullet. Remember, idioms like these can significantly enrich your English language skills, especially in professional or academic settings. So, don't shy away from using them. Keep practicing and soon you'll be using them as naturally as native speakers do. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy learning!